Hi everyone, Carol Brightbill. I don't know if you realize how easy Google makes it for you to search for anything that you're looking for out on the internet. It could be anything from a file to an image, video, even a book. They have a feature called Advanced Search. You can go into a normal Google tab and in the Omnibox, type in Google Advanced Search. And the first option that appears, this is what you want to select. And I'm going to stick with the theme trees. I'm going to do a search under the advanced search, the image search, video, and book search, all under the theme trees. So under the advanced search, let's just type in the word trees. And you can see it can say all words, exact words, any of these words, none of these words, and numbers ranging from if you want to put a range of numbers. You can filter it further by the language, the region, the last update, if there is a website or domain that you know that you're looking for, any of the terms appearing anywhere on the page. And this is one of my favorite features, to be able to search by any file type. When you open this up, you can see you can search for a PDF, PostScript. Coming down, you can search for an Excel file, PowerPoint, Word, text file, and even a Shock Flash. I'm going to select for a PowerPoint. But the very last one is also a very important feature, usage rights. When you click on this, you can see, is it not filtered by license? Is it free to use or share? Free to use or share even commercially? Free to use or share or modify? And to free to use, share, modify even commercially. So I'm just going to select not filtered by license and let's see what comes up. Now it will show any PowerPoint files with the terminology trees. So let me just open up the top one that I click here, and being that it's a PowerPoint, it's going to download onto my device. Let me open this up and you can see here's a nice PowerPoint presentation on tree biology. Let's come to the next tab over for the image search. So I'm going to put the word trees in again. And you can see you can do the same type of filtering by the exact word, any of these words, none of these words. But here's the benefit of searching for this under the image this way. You can search by the size of an image. You can search for a very large image, so I'll say 6 megapixels. And any aspect ratio, I want it to be panoramic. And let's say colors, I want full color. Type of image, you can see it could be a face, photo, clip art. I'm just going to leave that blank because we're looking for a tree, so of course that's not a face. Region, of course, anywhere around the world, any site or domain. And here's also where you can filter by the format again. JPEG, GIF, PNG, all the way down to RAW images. And I'm going to search for a JPEG. And here's the important part also again is the usage rights. For images, it will be either Creative Commons license or commercial and other license. Be very careful that you don't use a commercial and other license on a website that is owned by someone else. That's against the law. And I'm not going to pick any format because this is only for demonstration. And let me select Advanced Search. Now here are all the tree images that are panoramic and are JPEGs. And if I find one that I like, I can right-click on it and save image as. Next tab over is a video search. Again, I'm going to type in trees. And the filter again, exact words, any of these words, none of these words. You can choose your language. And here are video features, which will be the duration of the film. Let's say I want the video to be a short video. A posting date, quality, if I want it to be HD only, a site or domain, and does it have any subtitles? Let me do a search. And here's a video, YouTube on trees, wonderful trees in Forest Park. And you can see it's only 31 seconds. So here we go.
It's where our community comes together.
And the last advanced search is for books. And I'm just going to type in the word, any words, trees. Coming down, you can filter by language, title, author, publisher, subject, publication date, ISBN number, or ISSN number. And let me do a search. And here are any books on trees. As I'm showing you this is how you search in Google Advanced Search on a computer. You can also do this on an iPhone and iPad. You would want to open up Safari as your browser, and you can put in the google.com/advanced_search. You can look down here as the other search criteria for image, video, or book. Once you find what you're looking for, then you hit at the bottom the share icon and you add to home screen. Similarly, you can also do the same thing on an Android. You go and open up Chrome on the Android and you search for the google.com/advanced_search. Once you find it, you tap More and add to home screen. There's a lot of reasons and applications that you can use an advanced search for. I just think it's a really great feature to look for anything what you're looking for. Hope you enjoyed this video, everyone. Have a great day.